God. That is so good. Guys, make this fufu.
Make it. Guys, your favorite girl is back, and today we're gonna make the famous fufu, guys.
Fufu!
And I'm about to show you all the ingredients that you're gonna need for the different ways you can make fufu. Yes, I said it. There's different ways to make fufu, guys. So pay attention. Guys, you can make fufu with cornmeal. You can make fufu with cassava or yuca. It's the same thing. You can make it with plantain.
Yes.
You can make it with potato, guys.
Yeah, no lie. I recently seen them making them with potatoes.
Yes, guys. But today, we, Cook and Comedy. Sorry, I have to show you guys our new. All right?
Totally. Nice spoons, bruh.
Our cooking spoons. We're going to make it today, guys, with yuca and a plantain. All right, guys?
Yes.
Make sure your plantain looks like this. Not dark green, not yellow with spots.
Yeah.
Make sure it looks like this. And make sure you get your cassava like this. All right, guys?
Yeah. And they do have fufu powder. If you're lazy, get the powder.
Don't be lazy though, guys. But I mean, if you're lazy, get the powder. That's fine. They also have cassava frozen too, guys. If you're really that lazy. But
oh shoot.
yeah, but frozen and fresh ingredients is always better, and you're gonna need some water, guys. So stay tuned and we're gonna show you what you're gonna do with all our ingredients.
Guys, you excited as me?
So excited.
I didn't camera woman. I didn't ask you.
Well, who are you asking?
I asking my subscribers.
Oh.
Not you.
Oh.
Guys, are you guys excited as me?
So excited!
And there she go again.
But I'm excited.
Anyways, guys, comment down below what type of fufu you guys make and prefer, because there's so many different types. And guess what? There's so many different types of ways to make fufu, guys. Some chefs, they boil their plantains, their cassavas, their yams. They boil it first, then they mash it in the mortar like we have here. Ours is not as big as the traditional mortar, but it gets the job done. Or some chefs, they mash it or blend it first, and then they cook it on the stove. So comment below what way you guys prepare your fufu. So many different ways. But guys, today we're going to boil ours first, and then we're gonna use our blender. I mean, we ain't got time. Nah, sorry. Because it's a lot of work to mash all that yam and all that plantains in that mortar. It's a lot of work, and we ain't got that type of time. You know why? Because we going.
All right, we going. What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
Where the money reside, where the money reside, what a... I'm sorry. I got carried away. But, like I said, so how we're gonna prepare ours today is we're gonna boil our yams, boil our plantains first, and then we're gonna throw it in our blender. And I'm gonna show you what's next. Hey, beautiful.
Hey guys, so we're ready for the next step, and I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. So we blended our
Fufu! That
guys.
look good.
Yes. So we have our heat on medium. All right. Make sure you set it on medium. We have our pot here. I'm gonna take this out because I want to cut myself.
That's sharp. That's one of them ninjas.
Yeah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yes. And I don't want to waste anything. Everything is going in. So let me scoop this out.
Ooh, I see you got a wooden spoon.
I got a wooden spoon.
Yeah.
Not just any wooden spoon.
You gotta use a wooden spoon.
I got a cooking comedy wooden spoon.
Ooh, I didn't see the cooking comedy. Let me see the
by
cooking.
our niece.
Let me see the cooking comedy. I didn't see the cooking comedy.
We not make.
I didn't see the cooking comedy. Yes, guys, when you're making your fufu, get yourself a wooden spoon.
Yes.
I heard it makes it taste better.
Yes. So while I'm scooping this in here, guys, try not to cut myself. I'm just gonna talk a little bit to you guys.
No, please, don't talk.
What do you mean?
We don't want to hear you.
Of course you want to hear me.
No. We don't want to hear what you gotta say.
Of course you want to hear me.
Oh, God.
Guys, so I'm going, all right? You're so disrespectful on so many levels. Guys, so the purpose of us putting our fufu, cooking our fufu on the stove
I'm coming in.
is because we want to get it not just smooth, guys. We want to get it silky smooth. It's so important. All right? Not only that, it also sometimes, and you probably can't see it, but inside, hidden will have some lumps in there. And we want to make sure we get all of the lumps out. So while cooking this,
You look like a professional.
I am a professional.
You must be from Africa. You African?
No,
Where you from?
I'll let y'all guess.
I think South Africa. You look like a South African. You could pass for one, you know?
You think so?
I think so.
Maybe. If I show you a picture of my daddy,
Yeah. He definitely from Africa.
maybe.
Yeah.
Show you a picture of my daddy, I'll be like, yeah.
So what you're doing now is getting all that fufu out of the
So
blender.
I'm getting all the
It
fufu.
looks thick.
It is thick, right? And it's so important. You don't want your fufu to be thick, and you don't want to stop mixing it. You see how thick it is?
Yeah,
Guys,
we
I have a
did.
little bit of water here. I'm not going to pour all this water, just a little bit at a time. The purpose is I want this fufu to be nice and silky smooth. So I'm gonna mix this for about
Silky.
a few minutes, guys. And we're gonna mix this till it's like silky and tacky. And then I'm gonna show you what it's going to look.
Corvette. Guys, our fufu is almost done. Now this is the hard part. So we cooked our fufu, we blended our fufu, we even steamed it to get it nice and smooth. Now it's time to mold your fufu into that perfect ball. I hope you're ready, because I'm not. This is gonna be so hard. So what you wanna do, chefs and chefettes, you wanna moisten your hands. You see we got our fufu here, right out the blender. You wanna get your hands nice and moist. And now it's time to mold your fufu into that perfect ball. Y'all watching me?
We're watching you.
Oh God, help me.
We're watching you closely.
Don't watch me, watch TV.
No, we
Guys, gotta keep your hands moist, trust me. This is not easy. It takes a professional.
You look like a professional.
Yeah, I's a professional. I's a professional. I's a professional.
Do you have to do that dance in order for it to be perfect?
Yeah, see me?
Oh gosh.
So keep your hands moist and you're gonna mold that fufu into that perfect ball. All right, guys? So this is the last and final step. Next, what you're gonna do, are you paying attention?
We're trying to. Let's see
Oh,
our
come
fufu.
close. Come see this fufu.
Wow. That's nice.
All you gotta do is add your meat, add your greens, and then you're gonna dig in.
Ooh.